This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Larry Swanson. Nice Highland Hills 3-bedroom ranch home. All single floor living. Hardwood floors throughout. Kitchen recently updated with stainless steel appliances and ceramic floor. Basement finished. Large living area. Laundry room updated with washer and dryer and bath on basement level. Large backyard with play set. Electrical updated. Roof replaced in 2020. Updated window with transferable warranty. Owner will offer a 1-year warranty up to $750. Large rear deck of composite material. For more information, review the details below.